What if I told you there's a creature that can survive being frozen solid, live for a year without food, and glows in the dark like a real-life alien? Meet the ultimate desert survivor, the scorpion. Get ready to uncover the secrets of one of the planet's most extreme animals, an 8-legged marvel that thrives where most life withers and dies. They are true masters of survival, perfectly adapted to the harshest environments on Earth. Imagine walking through the desert, where the air shimmers with heat and the ground is hot enough to cook an egg. For us, this is a life-threatening situation, but for a desert scorpion, it's just another Tuesday. These incredible arachnids have evolved to withstand blistering temperatures that can soar up to 50 degrees Celsius, or a sweltering 122 degrees Fahrenheit. How do they do it? They are masters of energy conservation and have developed ingenious strategies to beat the heat. During the scorching daylight hours, you won't find them sunbathing. Instead, they retreat into the cool refuge of deep burrows they dig in the sand, or they find shelter under rocks and in crevices, effectively escaping the sun's relentless assault. This underground lifestyle is key to their survival, allowing them to maintain a stable body temperature while the world above bakes. But their resilience doesn't stop with heat tolerance. The desert is a place of scarcity, where food and water can be gone for months. This is where the scorpion's metabolism becomes its superpower. They can dramatically slow down their bodily functions, entering a state of near. This allows them to survive for astonishingly long periods, sometimes up to a full year on. A single meal. They are the ultimate minimalists, needing very little to sustain themselves. When water is nowhere to be found, they have another trick up their sleeve. Scorpions get most of the moisture they need directly from the prey they consume, efficiently extracting every last drop of liquid from the insects and small lizards they eat. This incredible ability to endure extreme heat, starvation, and dehydration makes them one of the most successful and enduring inhabitants of the world's arid landscapes. They are a testament to nature's ability to innovate, proving that, with the right adaptations, life can flourish, even in the most unforgiving corners of our planet. As the sun sets and a cool darkness falls over the desert, a different world awakens. This is the scorpion's kingdom. Under the cloak of night, these silent hunters emerge from their daytime shelters to begin their patrol. They are nocturnal predators, and their methods are a masterclass in stealth and precision. Forget relying on eyesight. In the pitch-black desert night, scorpions use a sense that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Their secret weapon is a set of highly sensitive organs on their legs and underside called slits ancilla and pec. These tiny, comb-like structures are so finely tuned that they can detect the faintest vibrations traveling through the sand from several feet away. The desperate scurrying of a beetle, the frantic flutter of a moth that has fallen to the ground, or the subtle crawl of a spider-nothing escapes the scorpion's notice. Once a vibration is detected, the scorpion pinpoints its source with unnerving accuracy. It then moves with a slow, deliberate graze, a silent shadow gliding over the sand. It gets closer and closer, its pincers, or pedipalps, held open and ready. When the moment is right, it strikes with blinding speed. The prey is seized in a powerful grip, helpless against the scorpion's strength. For smaller, less feisty prey, the powerful pincers are enough to crush and subdue them. But for larger or more dangerous quarry, the scorpion deploys its most famous and feared weapon. This is the world of a predator that doesn't need to see to hunt. It feels its way to its next meal. A true ghost of the desert night. Their nocturnal lifestyle not only helps them avoid the daytime heat, but also provides them with the cover of darkness, making them one of the most efficient and mysterious predators of their domain. Every scorpion carries a weapon that has earned it both respect and fear throughout history. It's venom. This potent chemical cocktail, delivered through a sharp stinger at the end of its tail, is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. It serves a dual purpose, acting as both a tool for hunting and a formidable defense against predators. When a scorpion captures prey that is too large, or struggles too fiercely to be subdued by its pincers alone, it will arch its tail over its body and deliver a precise, venomous sting. The venom acts rapidly, paralyzing the victim and beginning the process of digestion even before the scorpion starts to eat. It's a highly effective way to quickly neutralize a meal, minimizing the risk of injury to the scorpion itself. The venom contains a complex mixture of neurotoxins and enzymes that target the nervous system of its prey, ensuring a swift and certain outcome. However, the potency of this venom varies dramatically across the nearly 2,000 known species of scorpion. For the vast majority of them, their sting is no more harmful to a human than a bee sting, certainly, but not life-threatening. These species primarily use their venom on their small, invertebrate prey. But then there are the heavyweights, a small number of species, like the notorious death stalker or the Arizona bark scorpion, possessed venom powerful enough to be medically significant, and in rare cases, even lethal to humans. This potent venom isn't just for hunting. It's a crucial line of defense. When a scorpion feels threatened by a larger animal, like a bird, a lizard, or even a person, its stinger is its last resort. It's a clear warning message to back off. The scorpion would much rather flee than fight, but if cornered, it will not hesitate to use its venom to protect itself. This incredible chemical weapon is a key reason why scorpions have survived for over 400 million years. Beyond their resilience and their venom, scorpions possess a truly bizarre and beautiful secret, one that is completely invisible to the human eye under normal light, but shine an ultraviolet or UV light on them in the dark, and something magical happens. The scorpion begins to glow with an eerie and vibrant green or blue fluorescence. It's a spectacular and slightly spooky sight, as if the creature has been painted with glowing ink. This strange phenomenon is caused by special fluorescent chemicals, including beta, which are embedded within the hyaline layer of their exoskeleton, or cuticle. Scientists are still debating the exact reason for this glowing ability, and several fascinating theories have been proposed. One leading idea is that the scorpion's entire body acts as a giant light sensor. By converting the faint UV light from the moon and stars into a visible blue-green glow, the scorpion might be able to detect shadows and find dark places to hide from predators more effectively. In essence, it uses its own glow to figure out when it's exposed. Another theory suggests that the glow might be a form of communication between scorpions, helping them to find mates in the dark or to warn rivals away from their territory. It could even be a clever form of camouflage that confuses nocturnal predators that can see in the UV spectrum. Some researchers have even speculated that it could be an accidental evolutionary leftover, a byproduct of the chemicals that make their armor so tough, with no real purpose at all. Whatever the reason, this glowing ability has proven to be incredibly useful for the scientists who study them. Researchers on nighttime expeditions can easily spot and track scorpions simply by sweeping the desert floor with a portable UV blacklight. This natural otherworldly glow adds another layer of mystery to these already enigmatic creatures, making them not just survivors, but also living, breathing works of biological art. In an ecosystem as delicately balanced as the desert, every creature has a role to play, and scorpions are far more than just scary-looking critters. They are a vital link in the desert food chain and play a crucial part in maintaining the health of their environment. As relentless nocturnal predators, their primary diet consists of insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. By preying on these creatures, scorpions act as a natural form of pest control, helping to keep insect populations in check. Without scorpions, the numbers of certain insects could explode, potentially disrupting the fragile desert plant life and the overall balance of the ecosystem. They are the cleanup crew and the enforcers of the insect world, ensuring no single group becomes too dominant. At the same time, scorpions are themselves an important food source for a variety of other desert animals. Birds of prey like owls, lizards, snakes, and even some mammals like meerkats and grasshopper mice have all adapted to hunt and eat scorpions, often developing a resistance to their venom. This positions the scorpion as a crucial middleman in the flow of energy through the desert. They transfer energy from the small insects they eat up to the larger predators that eat them. Their presence ensures the survival of a wide range of species, making them a cornerstone of the desert's biodiversity. So, the next time you think of a scorpion, remember that they are not just solitary, fearsome hunters. They are essential engineers of their arid world, a testament to survival, and a glowing, venomous, an absolutely indispensable piece of the great puzzle of life.